7 fucking 87. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking do this. Okay, so in MipTile, we have our little helper function that takes the size in pixels of our largest tile and also gives us a master memory cell location. And we're going to use this to create all of our different MipMap levels on this specific master memory cell. In declare some shit, we've added more variables. We have the global group origin, which is always going to be the top left origin of one group of tiles for the highest resolution tiles, MipMap level 0. And then tile group origin is the same concept, except it's for all of the other MipMap levels for the smaller resolution graphics. So global group origin X and Y, tile group origin X and Y. The width and height of our source and destination selections are both 2048 by 2048. I fucked this up. This is the pixel width and height of the actual pixel array. This is not the width and height of the actual selections we're cutting and pasting to and from. I screwed that up, so I've made this little fix here. Okay, so let's scroll down here. Okay, we're gonna loop through every single MipMap level exponent except for the first one because those graphics already exist. Loop through every single layer, loop through every single tile in that layer, and then we're going to cut and paste from the MipMap level 0 down to the target tile in MipMap level something besides 0. So this was a fucking mistake, so it's commented out because, like I said, the source selection and the destination selection, yes, this is the size, and these are the sizes of the selection regions we want to cut and paste to and from, but the pix width and height is the width and height of the entire image, not the sub-selection. Okay, so we're going to calculate global group origin like this, which is always an origin on the outermost MipMap level. And then tile group origin, we need to use the diagonal offset to the data and then multiply the lateral span of the current layer. The lateral span in pixels of the current layer by lateral multiplier X and Y to get to the correct layer. So now we have the top left origin of the source and destination chunk of tile graphics, and now we need to drill in. We need to drill in a little bit further to get the final selection region, which we'll do in a different video. So like and subscribe and send money in the mail.